I think we need the heater. You ready?
We make a fire here and just in the backyard. So soon we go to sleep. Go to sleep and at those 10 we make a tent and here because the weather is nice. So this is our tent.
Daddy.
This is the trampoline here.
Yeah. Wait, look down.
I think Bimbing is sleeping. This is the backyard, but we hear something in the back. We need to check. Bing is awake. He is sleeping, Bimbing. Bim. Bim.
What?
Alvin. Need to wake up.
Am I in heaven?
To wake up.
Hey, you're not allowed to. Hey, you're not allowed to make a video on me. I'm sleeping.
Need to wake up. We hear something there in the back. We need to go check, okay?
What?
We need to hear something.
Okay. Coming.
It's coming out. Yes, it's Calvin wake up because we need to go there, check in the back. We hear something. I hope it's why that is a swing by herself. What happened? Don't drop the light. What happened? that is a remote. Why this one is like that? Alexa, wait.
Look, this ring is moving by herself.
Okay, they move by himself. Why? Oh, this is a little scary. I don't know why. It's just like
Wait,
that.
but look at the ball. It's moving. The balls are moving.
Okay. I think Alex is the one touched up. Okay. Just we need to go there in the back. Okay.
Wait, why is
Can
the...
you turn around the light because I can't see anything there? What happened there? Hey, I think something I saw there, but let's go check there. Let's go check. Make a video. To show to the people what's going on here. There's something happening here. That is nothing. Maybe it's
Wait, look at the barrel. I remember that was standing up. Now it's down.
who is that? Who moved?
I don't know.
What is this stuff?
Wait, why is the pool like that?
Huh?
The pool is not supposed to be like that. It was just normal. Like, now, look at it. Bended. 360 angle.
Oh, somebody's moving there. Okay.
Wait, look at the shot.
Are you heard something there before?
I heard.
This is the 10. Where is the 10?
It's over there.
Check the
Tents are
10 there.
fine. Wait,
The 10?
look at the party lights. Why are they on? I didn't notice that before. They were just off. Now they're on. Why is there music playing?
Yeah, make the 10 there. Where's the 10? I think it's another cycle. Calvin, I think it's another cycle. We'll check this one here. See what's going on here. I think it's a little cat there.
Wait, what's that?
What is that?
Why is there a bag there?
Oh, who lead that?
I don't know. Wait, look at this. There's the mark.
Where?
I can read hand sign, and it says S.
What is the bat doing there?
What?
So who lead there, that bat?
I don't know. Wait, what is that? There's a hand sign. Wait, I can read hand signs, and I know what to say. It says why did you come here?
Okay, I don't know. This sign?
Yeah,
It's not say anything. Somebody put down there.
it looks like it's a sign.
Calvin, maybe the trampoline is there?
No,
It's behind the trampoline?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. But you see before.
I see Daddy, I see a little cat.
A little cat?
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's a little cat there. Are you sure?
Or what's there?
Something is moving. Somewhere there, okay. What? Flashing there. There's nothing there?
There's a cup.
Nothing?
There's a
This-
cup.
Hmm?
We see a cup. And that's it.
Oh, it's a cup?
We have a cup right there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Where is it?
There.
Oh,
See? It's just a
it's
cup.
all like that. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I hear very loud. That's why I wake you up. So we need to check here.
Boy, I just want to sleep.
What time? What time is it? It's around 12?
I think it's 3 p.m.
12?
No,
12.
it's 3 p.m.
Oh, 12. Okay.
It's the devil's hour.
Or maybe beside the counter 10. Okay.
Look.
Should we go check in the road?
Then let's go check on the road.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay, this one is looking around here, but it's nothing checked. Put the flashlight. And yeah, we see something. And
We
this,
already checked everywhere.
yeah, it's
I
nothing.
see a light.
Huh? Where?
Over here.
Wait, what is
Which
that?
one? Turn it off the light. Wait. Where?
Over there.
What light?
Over there.
Okay. Oh, here's one light. What is that? It's moving. Hey, I think it's moving, Dad. Oh, what is that?
I think it's a car.
Oh, it's a car?
Yeah?
Who is the car? Oh, it's a Calvin car? Uy! What is that? Oh, Calvin? Ah, okay. This guy have a remote hiding and I pretend he's sleeping and I think he's sleeping. That's why I saw sounds there.
How
The
did you guys
back.
fall for it?
Okay, I
It
got
was.
it.
Guess what? This thing was all. This was all me along. This one.
So you are the one hold there that hiding? How would you hiding? Let me check. Okay.
So once you guys were turning around, I ran and put the car over there.
So
This is why you guys
But I
didn't know.
saw you sleeping before.
I was
Supposed
fake
to be you
sleeping.
sleeping.
I was fake sleeping.
You're sleeping in the tent over there.
What did
Now
the lights turn
put
off?
the light. Put the light there. Them.
You see that tent that was. You guys thought I was sleeping, but I was just faking.
Yeah. How you? So you bring when you're sleeping, and I saw you sleeping, but without toys, right?
It's because the
When
toy.
when you put there that one, this one.
When once where you guys were turning around, I hid.
Oh,
I
okay.
ran away. You guys didn't see at all.
It's the Calvin's
guess what?
cars. So here's only we get a camping and the backyard. This is the cars the Calvin was hiding. Yes, on a remote. It's a remote car. Why is it not moving?
It's probably
I'll show
stuck.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a remote car. Calvin was leaving there, and also he pulled the remote. That's why it's was moving, and I hear something there. He touching when he's sleeping in the thing. That's why I go wake him up. It's a little car. Nice. Okay. Okay, everybody. Here is our videos for show what happened, and subscriber in the next video. Bye bye.
Subscribe!